In this video, I will show you how to add business days to a date or subtract business days from a date in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. This column contains business days I want to add to these dates so that the result dates do not fall on weekends. For example, the first date is 17th May 2024, which is Friday. If we add one day to it, we get 18th May 2024 as a result, which is Saturday. Instead of that, I want the date of the next working day by excluding the weekend, that is 20th May 2024, which is Monday. To add working days to a date, we can use the workday function. The workday function returns the nearest working day in the past or future corresponding to the specified date. This function accepts three arguments: start date, number of days, and optional holidays. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type workday followed by an opening bracket. Select the original date as the first argument. Type a comma and then select the cell containing the days as the second argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the new dates after adding working days to these dates. To subtract working days from a date, we can use the same formula. To subtract business days from a date, we need to specify the days as negative. For example, to subtract one business day from the date 20th May 2024, we need to mention the second day's argument of the workday function in a negative like this. As you can see, we got the new date 17th May 2024, which is the previous Friday, by subtracting one business day from the 20th May 2024, which is Monday. By default, the workday function will exclude weekends, that is Saturday and Sunday, while adding or subtracting business days from a date. It does not take the public holidays into account. For example, let's say the 20th and 21st May 2024 are public holidays. So, when we add one business day to the 17th May 2024, I want the new date as 22nd May 2024. To do that, we need to specify the third optional holiday argument of the workday function. Let's modify the formula and specify the range of the cells containing holidays as the third argument. As you can see, this time we got 22nd May after adding one working day to the 17th May 2024. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.